Hi, just bought a new lock from IKH in Finland. I doubt it's brass. I think it's just pot metal. So let's open this. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Nothing special. And 1, 2, 4 pins. So let's try to open this. It's open. What a piece of shit lock. Don't buy these. Thank you for watching and please stay away from these locks. They were quick set locks in IKH, so why buy these when there are way better locks available? So yeah, thank you for watching and please subscribe if you find these videos even somewhat amusing. Bye.